Hello everyone, this is Shirley. Nice to see you.
Hello everyone and hello Shirley. This is Catherine. We come here again as promised. Welcome to our live streaming. You can tune into our live stream in Facebook and YouTube.
You know Chinese New Year is coming, so you'll see some Chinese characters in this presentation. 2021 is the year of the ox. We call it 牛年 in Chinese. So, Catherine, would you like to introduce the Chinese zodiac to our friends?
Yes, precisely. There are 12 Chinese zodiacs, Shirley. How about you speak it in Chinese and I speak it in English?
Okay, let's start. 子鼠
Rat,
丑牛
Ox,
银狐
Tiger,
猫兔
Rabbit,
神龙
Dragon,
死蛇
Snake,
乌鸦
Horse,
尾羊
Goat,
神猴
Monkey,
邮吉
Rooster,
虚狗
Dog,
海猪
and Pig. Thank you, Shirley. This year is the year of the ox in Chinese lunar calendar. Ox, one of the first animals to be domesticated, played an important role in our agriculture civilizations. In the eyes of Chinese people, oxen are tough and strong. Ox symbolizes the meaning of hardworking, pioneering, and benefiting the people. In addition, the pronunciation of ox sounds like new. New Year, New Hope. Here we wish you a happy and healthy New Year.
Thank you, Catherine. And now let's back to our topic today. And this time, we will introduce the pipe claps for you, including 4 parts: product, features, applications, and our advantages. And now let's begin our first part, the product.
Here are the photos of pipe clamps. In our company, the MAC brand pipe clamps are designed by using malleable iron. Double galvanized surface treatment is widely used because it has a good anti-corrosion performance. In addition, we also have hot dip galvanized, electrophoretic, fusion bonded epoxy, and so on. In this page, you can see more pipe clamps with different appearances. Let's imagine how to assemble it. Maybe you will see threading or welding. Sure, this method you can connect 2 pipes. But if there are many pipes, you will waste lots of time. But for pipe clamps, it's easy. No special skill required. You only need to use the Allen key,
This one,
to tighten the set screws.
and like this.
And then you can connect it together in a few of seconds.
As we mentioned, double galvanizing is mostly used. Actually, different surface treatments are available as a manufacturer. For different requirements, we have more plans for your choice. Not only the double galvanizing, but also hot dip galvanizing, electrophoretic, fusion bonded epoxy, and so on. And we know that different situations should use different colors, so we could also supply different colors for you, such as gray, blue, yellow, and black. And here, we can also supply 7 different sizes for you. With different outside diameter, the size of the pipe clamps is from 3/8 to 2 inch. And here comes our second part, the features of the pipe clamps. Maybe you have seen this kind of products at the market, and here we will share with you our differences.
Mostly, the pipe clamps can use outside, so it's important to guarantee the anti-rust and anti-corrosion performance. In our factory, we developed the double coating. Hot dip galvanizing firstly, then electroplated. This coating have already passed the salt spray test successfully. Normally, there should be no corrosion found after 12 hours salt spray test, and for double coating, there should be no corrosion after 48 hours.
To have a better anti-rust performance, we have changed the material of the screws from carbon steel to stainless steel. Although the pipe clamps cannot be treated as a scaffold, the bending torque test and disassemble force test are necessary. Mac brand pipe clamps are TUV certified for strength, manufacturing quality, and consistency. If you have heard our factory before, I believe you should know that we are the largest manufacturer of malleable iron pipe fittings. With more than 60 years of foundry casting experience, the quality can be well controlled from the very beginning of the foundry. Besides the foundry, other processes like machining, surface treatments are completely finished in our factory. So all in-house production can guarantee the material stability and high standard quality.
We talked so much about the products. I think most of you have a question on how to use it. Start from this page, we will show you the applications of pipe clamps. The pipe clamps can be used in the following fields: civil life, agriculture, public facilities, commercial purpose, and the most interesting one, DIY. In this page, you can see the application of pipe clamps in our modern-day homes, for example, tables in the living room, stair railing, TV stand, coat hanger, shelves, and bed accessory.
You know, I like this style. Actually, I have a similar table like this photo, and it's very easy to assemble. I really suggest everyone to have a try.
Really? You have a table like that?
Yes, and I assembled it by myself.
Wow, excellent. I think next time I will invite you to help me assemble a new table for me.
Sure, I'd like to.
Thank you, Shirley. In this page, we can see the application of pipe clamps in our agriculture.
Wow, it's a so cute cow, and it is the mascot of the year of 2021 in China.
Shirley, could you teach us how to say cow in Chinese?
Yes, of course. And just follow me. New, and the pronunciation sounds like the word new. Isn't it so easy?
Yeah, I believe our friends have learned it. See, the cow is staying by the fence, and the fence is assembled by the pipe clamps. In addition, the pipe and pipe clamps can be also structured as the structure in the greenhouses.
And when you take a holiday, you'll see some pipe clamps in public facilities, such as hand railing, safeguard railing situations, playground equipment, sport arenas, and so on. And in some shopping malls or stores, you'll see some clothing rack which made of pipes and malleable iron pipe fittings. Actually, the malleable iron pipe fittings can be replaced by pipe clamps, which are much easier to assemble.
Nowadays, more and more people like DIY. For us, we also established Mac Craft Company. From this page, you will see the product produced by ourselves. If you like DIY, I believe pipe clamp will be a best choice. Together with the pipe and the spare parts, It's easy for you to build what you can imagine. For example, tables, chairs, shelves, napkin holders, and so on. I believe you have already seen that the table here is assembled by pipe clamps. Very beautiful and easy to be assembled. And the most important, it have a low cost. So it's DIY time. Shirley and I will show you how to assemble a table lamp. So let's start. Let's focus on the packaging first. Shirley, do you like it?
Yes, of course. And look at it. Looks like a present with nice design. I just want to receive it as my birthday gift.
Yeah, is your birthday coming soon?
Yes.
Wow, I think I can apply to my boss, give this to you as your birthday gift. And actually, I like it also. Now I cannot wait to assemble it. Let's start.
Okay.
Shirley, could you show us?
Yes, of course. And here are some spare parts. Pipe fittings, pipe clamps, a cute Allen key, lamp bulb.
As we have mentioned, it is very easy to assemble. You can connect it together in a few seconds. Shirley, how long do you think you can finish this?
You mean assemble these items?
Yes?
I think maybe 50 seconds.
Wow, very confident. Of course, I believe in you. I will time for you, okay?
Okay,
Are you ready?
I'm okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, finished.
Wow, you only used 22 seconds. So it looks very easy to assemble it. Nice job, Shirley.
Thank you. And if you want also own one, don't hesitate to call us. And we have talked so much about our products and applications. I think you'll have some questions about our company and advantages we have. And here are some of our advantages, including stable delivery time, technical support, value-added service, and one-stop service. Actually, we are a manufacturer with all in-house production, so the production schedule is flexible. Usually, the lead time is about 30 to 45 days. But if it's urgent demand, the lead time can be shortened to 7 to 15 days. You know, in China, the governments pay more attention to the environmental protection. We are one of the 3 green factories in China, so there's no worry about the shutting down. We are very proud of it. And here is a photo of our research and development department. Our engineers will help you with our best design and drawings. We can also supply the instructions. Just follow these instructions. You can assemble a table or cart by yourself. And when you want to do a DIY, maybe you're worried about the spare parts. Don't worry, in our factory, all this can be solved. We can provide the pipes and nipples, Allen key tooling, and even if you want to get a cart, we will provide the wheels as well.
Aside for the pipe clamps, we can also supply other products, so we call it one-stop service. Different kinds of products we can supply, for example, malleable arm fittings, ductile iron groove fittings and couplings, valves, ERW pipes, pipe nipples, flexible hoses, and so on. We aim to provide safe and reliable products and smart and complete solutions for clients in fluid conveying industry across the globe. At this moment, we have finished our presentation, and thank you once again for your watching. Any suggestions or comments of pipe clamps, please email or call us directly. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.